Hello friends and welcome to another tutorial on Geeks for Geeks. In this video, we are going to understand the program which searches for a number iteratively in a binary search tree. First, let us take an example. For example, in the following tree, if the searched key is 13, then function should return true, and if the searched key is 12, then the function should return false. Now, let us see the algorithm. Let us also take a sample tree to test our algorithm. We assume that we are searching for element 14 in the given tree. So, we pass root, which is 8, and 14 for key in the iterative search function. Since root is not null, we check if key is greater than root's data. As it is true, we make root equal to root's right. So, root will now point to 10. Again, as root is not null, we continue with the while loop. Now, key is greater than root's data. So, we make root equal to root's right. So, root will point to 14. Since root is not null, we continue with the while loop. Now, as the if and the else if conditions are not satisfied, we go to the else part and return true. Hence, element 14 is in this binary search tree. With this, we come to an end of this tutorial. For any doubts or suggestions, please leave them in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.